In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up next order coupons in WooCommerce. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable way to reward customers with a discount they can use on their next purchase, encouraging them to come back and shop again. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Plugins. This is where we'll add the tool that makes next order coupons easy to create and manage. Click Add New to open the plugin library, then use the search bar to look up Wise Campaign. When you find it, click Install, and once installation finishes, click Activate. After activation, you'll notice a new option added to your left sidebar for the plugin. Click the Plugins menu, then select Discounts. This is the area where you'll build the coupon. Click Add New to start a fresh discount. When prompted for the type, choose Next Order Coupon. This tells the plugin that the coupon is intended to be used on a future purchase, not the one the customer is currently making. Now it's time to set up the core details. Give your discount a clear, descriptive name that you and your team will recognize later, like Next Order 10% off. Then pick a discount type. You'll typically choose between a percentage discount or a fixed amount. A percentage works well for broad incentives, while a fixed amount is great for smaller baskets or very targeted promotions. With the basics in place, customize the settings to fit your goals. Set the discount value and consider adding sensible guardrails, such as a minimum spend to protect your margins. You can include or exclude specific products or categories to steer customers toward what makes sense for your store. If you're running sales, you may want to exclude sale items to prevent stacking. Usage limits are important too. Limit how many times the coupon can be used in total, or restrict it to one use per customer for fairness. If this is a time-sensitive offer, add an expiration date to create urgency. You can also add internal notes or a short description so anyone managing your site understands what the coupon is for. Take a moment to review everything. Make sure the discount name, type, value, and restrictions are exactly how you want them. When you're satisfied, click Save Discount. That's it. The next order coupon is now ready to be issued according to your workflow, and customers can apply it on their next checkout.